Hi! Jeep Wranglers and Gladiators come ready for adventure right from factory. But with a few select upgrades, you can unlock full off-road potential and performance. In this video, we'll show you must-have mods that boost power, increase convenience, and expand capability so Jeep can conquer harshest paths with ease. With right mods, Jeep will be transformed into a rugged trail-taming monster. Hit subscribe button for more content. Wrestling with heavy, cumbersome hardtops whenever you want to feel wind in your hair in your Jeep Wrangler or Ford Bronco? Then TopLift Pro's system is your muscle-saving, frustration-busting new best friend. Pulley setup lets a single-person hoist that bulky top off in minutes and stow it neatly out of way, without all back-straining tugging and shoving. Simply bolt sturdy overhead frame to your garage ceiling and attach handy hooks to your removable hardtop. Then take hold of smooth gliding hand crank and start lifting upwards. Simply watch as TopLift Pro smoothly lifts a large piece of equipment upward until you can easily remove it and access it. Use included storage cradle to get hardtop completely out of your way by parking it vertically along wall. Ingenious Jeep and Bronco add-on makes going topless quicker and easier than ever. Squinting into dim, yellow headlights that leave shadowy danger zones at night? Then bask in brilliant LED beacon beams from HWSTAR's anti-glare headlight upgrade. Bad boys blast road ahead with a stunning 1000% brightness boost for Jeep Wranglers, ensuring you see wildlife, obstacles and turns before disaster strikes. Gone are those dim, depressing stock beams that strain your eyes and leave you wondering what you're missing in peripheral darkness. Black beauties bathe landscape in bright, uniform light like a summer noon, chasing away blind spots and letting you enjoy night rides safely again. With hardy die-cast aluminum housing, tough polycarbonate lenses and super efficient cooling, HWSTAR's headlights will withstand all that bouncing, jostling and mudslinging your Jeep lives for. Adjustable mounting bracket lets you tweak perfect angle, while IP67 waterproof rating means no worries in storms or floods. Transform night into day and say bye to blindness on back roads with mighty LED headlight upgrades. Works on most Jeep Wrangler models, plus tons of other rides like Chevy, Ford, GMC. See light and double your night visibility. Got a stubborn, mired-down Jeep? Meet new rescue buddy, STEGODON 13,000 pounds electric winch. 100 of synthetic rope, no more kinked cables with wicked snatch force. Precision planetary gear train smoothly spools and unspools as you operate from wireless remote, corded button or mounted switch. IP67 waterproofing blocks rain, mud and snow so you can keep pulling fellow rigs to safety in wretched weather. And 5-stage heavy-duty solenoid brakes halt up to 30 tons without smoking. From yanking your over-ambitious rock crawler out of ravines to towing tree trunks for camp, STEGODON adds beast-like muscle. Stripped or missing factory screws that attach your Jeep's hardtop? MOEBULB's sturdy knobs are hassle-free solution. Textured red or black knobs replace two troublesome hardtop screws with a simple twist-on/off mounting system. Crafted of rugged plastic, knobs hold hardtops securely on 2007 to 2019 Wrangler 2-door and 4-door models through rough off-roading. Quickly remove freedom panels without scratched paint or hands. Stop fighting with Jeep Top, switch to tool-free MOEBULB knobs. Drowning in a jumbled mess of wayward phones, loose change and trailhead wrappers inside your Jeep Wrangler? Bring order to chaos with PIMCAR's clever center console storage tray. Rugged spill-proof container anchors right into your center armrest space, adding place for everything your off-road adventures demand. Textured base grips your gear, while anti-slip ridges keep phones and sunglasses locked in place through every rut and jump. Multiple compartments neatly divide and contain piles of chargers, napkins, tools and whatever else accumulates during rugged use. Spend more time playing in mud and trails with PIMCAR storage. Save your corralling mess inside your Wrangler or Gladiator. Now phones and essentials have a proper home so you can focus on tackling that next backcountry trail. Is that sagging sun visor an annoying eyesore while you're cruising trails in your Jeep Wrangler? Revive floppy eye shade with heavy-duty mounting clip repair kit made specially for rugged adventurers. Built of sturdy aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, clips shrug off brutal beating from off-road rallies while keeping visors locked rock steady. Textured grippy surface keeps visors from drooping over time like flimsy plastic clips do. Easy bolt-on install takes minutes. Reinforced droopy weak points and say bye to slapping sun visors for Jeep JK, Wrangler, Gladiator and other rough and tough rigs. Sand, mud and kids' sneakers scuffing up your pristine Jeep Wrangler door sills? Bring on abuse with Rowa's rugged carbon fiber door armor. Full coverage sill guards stick onto shield factory paint from dings, scrapes and dirt buildup from extreme adventure use. Rowa's patented design perfectly matches your Wrangler's contours with a sleek carbon fiber pattern that looks factory installed. Forged from aerospace grade 304 stainless steel, guards shrug off trail damage that would torture lesser protection. 3M adhesive backing bonds tightly and leaves no sticky residue if removed. Let Rowa's slick and tough carbon armor take hits at trailheads and in wilderness. Keep your Jeep looking box fresh no matter where your compass takes you. Race or rock crawl carefree while guarding that new car sheen. Is your Jeep Wrangler's cup holder always playing double duty, trying to wrangle both your mega travel mug and slippery phone? End juggling act with Savadicar's clever 2-in-1 bolt-on organizer. Rugged black powder-coated bracket mounts rock solid beside cup holder, providing a dedicated steadying hand for phones up to 3.5 inches wide. Adjustable sides grip tightly to handle off-road chaos, while rubber pads coddle your device. An angled foot cradles your drink cup to prevent spillover crashes. No more fishing your phone from under seat after a big bounce. Savadicar stabilizes your gear in its own space to keep things scratch-free. Easy 5-minute install with included hardware. Ditch chaotic cup holder wrestling match and ride phone free with Jeep JK multitasking mount. Elbows sticking to hot plastic and consoles looking grubby after hardcore Jeep adventures? Dress up your rig with cushy custom JKCOVER armrest strap. Finally, arm comfort on rough terrain with a padded cover that slips over worn factory consoles. Soft faux leather feels great on arms and protects human limbs from burns. A convenient hold provides quick access to lockable storage underneath without removing cover. Foam cushioning provides luxurious padding for long days attacking wicked trails. Give your weathered Wrangler or Gladiator armrest a facelift and keep it looking spiffy inside regardless of mayhem. Boring black plastic switch knobs that blend into a sea of ho-hum black interior pieces in your Jeep Wrangler? Bold red metal Voodonala's covers slip over AC, headlight, center console and other switches, adding a hot rod flare inside your rugged off-roader. Precision CNC machined from durable, wear-resistant aluminum, Voodonala covers add rugged invincibility to handle tough daily duty and extreme trails. Why blend in when you can light things up with sizzling metallic touches? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Links to all products from video are provided below.